Welcome to Hunk's Kitchen, where we make all your favorite foods, low calorie and high protein, to help you reach your fitness goals. Now I'm your host, Lance Alexander, and on today's menu, we've got something special. We're making a berry-licious dessert trio. So for this recipe, you're gonna need angel food cake dessert shells, sugar-free whipped cream, and finally, fresh or frozen strawberries. Alright, if you guys can't tell, I'm super excited for this recipe today because a lot of requests that I've been getting have been, Lance, can you make some more, sweet items? Lance, can you make some more dessert items? So here I am, your wish is granted, I'm here with them. Now guys, first up, you've already seen we are going to be making strawberry shortcake. Now, but I'm not gonna tell you what the other two are quite yet. You're gonna have to just wait around to see. Now, I'm super excited. We are going to be talking about our ingredients that we have here. So first up, we are going to be discussing this right here, which is our sugar-free whipped cream. Now, this is one of my favorite whipped creams. It's only 20 calories per serving. And it's really good. And it's always been one of my go-tos on my personal fitness journey, just so that I could avoid having a full fat whipped cream with all the calories and everything else that would just set my progress behind. It's been really good for me. Now, I also wanted to talk about here, you might have seen, I have mixed fruit on hand. Now, I do this because in my freezer, I like to have a variety of options whenever I am going to pick fruit as, just one of my snacks or things that I like to make like smoothies as well. And so here, I'm just gonna be picking out the strawberries. This is a mix with, what is it here? So pineapple, peaches, strawberries and mango are all in the bag, but we're just gonna be using the strawberries. You guys can either get your strawberries frozen or fresh. I love fresh strawberries. So if you can do fresh strawberries, this recipe is probably going to taste like 35 times better. It's gonna be really good if you can get fresh fruit for this. Now lastly, we have our angel food cake here. Now this is actually, I think it's really cool. So angel food cake, if you actually really want to have actual cake, it's gonna be one of the lower calorie options you can actually pick up from the store. Now this comes in just a regular cake form, a loaf form, and it also comes in these cups right here as well, which are the dessert shells. And I think dessert shells are really, in my opinion, they're a low calorie cheat code because they help you to kind of like match, the amount of serving size that you want, which is just one. And it helps you to kind of stay in that range. It's only 60 calories per dessert shell. So it's really good just to make sure you don't go crazy on the portion sizes, but you can have that same great taste and flavor and keep your calories low and stay on track. So let's get right into it. I'm talking fast, delicious, and low calorie. And now the last step is just to add the whipped cream. Here's everybody's favorite part. I'm just kidding.